Welcome back, guys. This is Ashwin here. In this video, we're going to see how to summarize using LLMs. So we can summarize either a PDF or a web page here, but this should be at the size of the LLM context size. Currently, the LLM can go up to like 100K context. At least if you say the max context is 128, means we have to leave some context for tokens. So this tutorial is just for like a short content. You cannot like summarize a 500 page book with this tutorial, but I will have a next tutorial which can handle multiple documents and even summarize a large book with a single program. So for this tutorial, I'm going to like install few modules. Let me set up this. Again, 128 context is pretty good, at least for now, but previously the max context was 4K. So that's why we have to like handle this in a different manner. So pip install QU tick token LangChain and I think LangChain core. This is for prompts, and LangChain Ollama if you are using like open source model. For now, I'm going to use like open source model. You can also use like OpenAI if you install like LangChain OpenAI. I think that will install the OpenAI module. And what else is needed? LangChain community. I don't think community is needed, but we could have like beautiful soup as a supporting module. Beautiful soup 4. Okay, these are the modules we will need. Just install this. Then I'm going to like use this website. So this is my first post. We are going to summarize this whole website. Let's see the website. So as you can see, this is a whole website. As you can see, they have like a lot of content. I just need like a shorter content as like a summarization, just the important snippets just to run this whole code. That's our objective in this tutorial. Okay, first let's import some modules from LangChain community. Okay, we have to install community as well then. LangChain community dot document loaders import. So I'm going to use web-based loader if you want to use the URL to get the content. Other than that, you can also use like PDF plumber loader and PyPDF loader like we have done it before. Just use it if you want. Then we have to initialize for models from LangChain Ollama import Ollama LLM. And then if you want to use LangChain OpenAI, you can use chat OpenAI. Then from LangChain dot chains. So currently they have like use this chains as depreciated, but you can still use this. It won't like cause any errors at the moment. But if you go to the next tutorial, it will have like a complete graph structure, which is the updated one. You can also use the same for doing summarizing for short content as well. It will show you the same output, but it's a long snippet, so that's why I have creating this tutorial which have like a shorter code snippet which can do the summarization very quickly. So combine documents import create stuff documents chain, then from LangChain dot chains dot LLM import LLM chain. Okay, this is chains LLM chain, and from LangChain core dot prompts import chat prompt template. Okay, these are the modules that we need. I'll just say import modules. Okay, you can just leave it. For Ollama, just run this Ollama. Just go to start and run Ollama if you already installed it. Otherwise, you can just go to the website and install the executable. It's as simple as it is. Or you can also check the YouTube video which I already posted in the channel for installing Ollama and downloading the Llama 2 model. So first, let's load the document. Load the web page content. So loader equals web page loader, and pass the URL here. Then docs equals loader dot load. Run this. Okay, it loaded the document. You can see the number of documents here, and if you want to see the content, you can also do that. So this is the whole document, and if you just need the page content dot page content, so this will be the whole page content. As you can see, it has like so many snippets. We are going to summarize this page, or you can also try it with a different website. That's not an issue. Okay, now this is done. Let's go to the next step, which is initializing the model. Initialize the model. So I can initialize LLM. First, I will do it for chat OpenAI. Just mention the model. If you have API key, you can also pass the API key. I usually set it as the environment variable. So GPT-4o mini. For now, I'll just comment this one. And if you want to use the open source LLM, sorry, this will be Ollama LLM. And again, pass the model name. You have to install the model before using it. So just pull the model before executing this code. Otherwise, you will face some model is missing error. So this will be the LLM, and to check the LLM, I will just pass hi. Now you can see it just gave my result. How can I access to it today? So the LLM is initialized and it is working. If you want to use chat OpenAI, you just have to like uncomment this and run it. Now that is done. Let's create the prompt. Set up the summarizer chain. Prompt will be chat prompt template. Here also you can say prompt template dot from messages and a list. Inside the list, I will pass the system prompt, and you can pass any custom instruction for summarizing here. Write a concise summary of the following, and just have a new line, and you pass the context, which is the content here. So this is the prompt template. Then initialize the chain. Here chain equals create stuff documents chain, pass the LLM and the prompt template. Okay, now call the chain. So summary equals chain dot invoke of a dictionary context colon docs. So the docs have the context, so it will automatically will be passed in this context, this whole page content. Okay, now let's print the summary. Maybe I'll just call this separately because this is just initialization, and here we will call the summary. So depends on your local machine. If you don't have a GPU, means it will take like a long time. So I have a GPU, that's why it was very quick. Now you can see it just loaded the model. Maybe what we can do is we can just copy this because it just generated a markdown summary. Let's see it in the new tab. Okay, I think it's not copied. Let me just copy it again. Okay, it already copied. I think I have to click it here for pasting. Now you can see clearly it importing the modules, loading the data set, directly jumped into the pre-processing without doing the visualization because it has to summarize the information, right? And it just trained the necessary modules which I have trained in the tutorial, and evaluated all the things in a single cell and printed the accuracy. Those accuracy information was not available because all of the results were in images, and you can also see the final thoughts and key takeaways here. So this is the whole summary. Instead of like reading the whole website and going through all the information, I think the summary will have only the important information. So this is how the shorter content or summarization work. For maybe a 30-page book would be a reasonable input for this code snippet. And if you want to like stream the information, like you have to wait for some time, right, to get the summary information. If you want to stream the summary, we can do this. Stream the summary for token in chain dot stream and pass the context docs and then print token end equals empty space. Otherwise it will just print all the tokens in a new line. So this is it. Let's run this. Now you can see it just generating the summary on the go, and you can stream the results like this. And this time it just gave some different results because you can see without the final notes which you have seen here, like final thoughts, it doesn't have it. So you have to like set the prompt if you want to get a consistent response. Let's say if you want a summary with key takeaways and some bullet points, you can specify it in the system prompt. That's how it works. Here also it has all the important information. I think it cut shorted many information here. Yeah, I think it just have all the important text content here and all the code snippet here. So this is also good. It has all the important information, and it also created like separate variables. So this is good. So I think that's pretty much it, guys. If you have any queries regarding this video, please leave a comment below. I think I'll see you guys in the next video.